You want to test it?
Yes, I'll try it. Pill would be great.
Yeah, I think it's better, huh?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. This is exactly what the human needs. It's a very good, light of the sun.
Like the light of the sun?
Yes,
Okay, so
correct.
it's going to give me some vitamin D or?
Yes, and it's also a positive effect for anti-aging.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
Maybe
2000, yeah, it's very...
How quickly?
2014 in Paris, we got the first prize, the most efficient anti-aging device in the world.
I kind of wondered it when I saw her face, because she's all...
You don't need that, but myself, I need it already. Yeah, so we put it on.
We deliver the system with 6 standard programs for the different ideas, relaxation, vitalization, what you need.
So I would need to do this every day, though, for that relaxation and for
3 times a week, it's enough.
3 times a week?
And you will, in 30 years, you will still look like you.
Yeah, builds up collagen, makes me young. Oh, it feels good.
Excellent. It's also very helpful for us, for men. If you make prevention 3 times a week, we name it prostate. The problem we have. 50% have it. If you make regular the sacral chakra, you never get it. You never get it.
So you just focus the light on different areas of the body?
Yes. As we name it, the energy centers.
Yes,
chakra. You feel much better. And we can show it to you when we measure your heart.
Heart rate
24 hours, it's a heart rate variability measuring. We can show it you with the app.
Yes.
How better your holistic health is. Sleep quality. 40% in Europe have problems with sleep. If you have a bad sleep quality, you get sick.
Yes.
If you do it regularly, you sleep like a baby. And you can see it, we can show it to our patients. Yes, it's true. It's unbelievable. This device is medically approved.
Okay.
A lot of doctors are using it.
Yes.
We even now have big success in cancer treatment.
I see.
With this combination.
Light and sound.
Light and sound.
Yes.
And feeling. I feel vibration.
Yeah, the vibrations coming through the bed.
The special about this light is we have in fullerene C60. Heard about that? Fullerene C60. It was found in Nobel Prize Chemistry 1996.
This fullerene is it's an isotope of carbon, and that's what's embedded in the glass. The information, you could see the molecule looks like, and it's been found in outer space and as well as here on Earth. And but the fullerenes somewhat similar, I guess, to other kind of carbons like diamonds. And things like this.
It's also found in the diamond.
So and we're all carbon.
Yeah, and we're carbon. So yes.
It puts you back to point 0, basically.
Yes.
At the moment, it's the most efficient antioxidant in the world. Okay. And with this light photons and quantum physics, we transfer it in your cells. And this gives you the cells the right light, the right energy, the right information.
Yes. Of course, it has the sound bed too, which is frequency from 20 to 100 hertz, which kind of takes on a lot of frequencies. But usually those slower frequencies are the more healing ones.
I feel it's very relaxing, and I can see where it can be very beneficial for someone that is not feeling well. It feels very energizing and relaxed. I think I could go to sleep after doing something like that. And I just hope that my skin looks better afterward.
You look very glowy.
Do I? There's a light shining on me. Yeah, I feel glowy. It feels good.